Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the pocket change purple puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Brian Kren. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to remove the coin. If you take a close look at the puzzle, you will find that it comes with a small red stopper that you have to remove first, and then you will see there are two metal balls, a metal pin that goes from left to right, and two large white buttons. And to remove the coin, it looks quite simple. You have to move both white buttons in opposite directions and free some space for the coin. But here is a trick. If there are metal balls on both sides and they block the white buttons, if you move the ball up, you will be able to move the white button all the way to the right, but you won't be able to do it with the left one since there is a ball there, and you can't move the ball up since there is a metal pin there, and the metal pin is blocked by the metal ball that is on the right. To unblock the pin, you have to put this white button back, then the pin will go to the right, you can move the ball up and unblock the left part. But it seems like there is no way to unblock both buttons. And that's what you have to find in this puzzle. If you like the pocket change purple puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. The solution is quite interesting and quite simple, but it is not easy to find it. So what you have to do is to move the pin to the right, then tilt the puzzle so that the left ball will go up, move this part to the left. The next step is quite interesting. You have to flip the puzzle upside down and move the right button all the way to the left. Not to the right, but to the left. And you will see that the ball went inside here, and there is a small cutout big enough to fit the ball under the right button, and the ball is hidden right there. So now what you have to do is just to move both buttons in opposite directions, and the coin is removed. To put it back and lock everything back, you just have to put the coin back, move both buttons back. But here is a trick. The ball is still there in that small pocket. So flip the puzzle, move the right button all the way to the left so that you unblock the pocket. Now remove the ball from the pocket, and now the puzzle is in the initial position and you can start solving it again. That was the solution of the pocket change purple puzzle. If you like this puzzle and you want to try all other puzzles from Pocket Change series, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.